Job of the day. Customer broke a hanger. It actually ripped the tubing of the frame, so I'm gonna reinforce the frame and then get him taken care of. And going up, yeah, it ripped the whole bottom of that tubing out. Jack stand is in. I'm down. Go grab my other jack. Everything on the trailer looks good so far. This tire smells like a tire. And you raise me up so I can stand on mountains. Oh, there's the break in the frame. Nasty. Might just change that. I'm gonna change this whole hanger and then plate this and weld a new hanger on. I don't like that. That should not be that way. We're getting some lube on there. Last thing I want is a bolt stripped today. There we go. And I'll clean the inside of those. I'm pretty sure I just put these lug nuts on and this hub on. Thank you for coming off. Nope, I didn't change this one. Brakes sound good though. Slightly rubbing. Beautiful. 11/16. Did not grab one. 13/16 on the head. And then 11/16 on the nut. And needs a new bushing. I got one in my thing already. I do. New bushing installed. This is the angle I'm going to use. Got some, I think it's 5x3. And then I got a back plate. I'm going to weld it like that. Boom. Clamp it. Weld it. And then put a new hanger on. Same size. The area sanded. I'd like to get this down further, but I don't want to flip the suspension. I think we just play with it where it is. I gotta get my safety glasses though. Oh, crawl underneath. Sanded. Whatever I need to weld is almost sanded. Need to get the back piece here. Alright, perfect. Alright, now it's ready for me to weld. Good stuff. Get this thing clamped. And then we're going here. I'm attempting to do this. Come on. This is where you need a third hand. Come on, clamp. Okay. Everything's in. Now we tighten. Everything looks good. Hit it with a hammer. Make sure it's square. Start burning. Plate is on. Gonna fire up the welder and get it going. Front and back plate is welded. We got 29 3/8. That's where the edge of the hanger needs to be. I measured that needs to be the same, so I measured outside to inside, and I measured outside to inside. We are golden. I need to grab a bolt from my hanger. On these, I usually like just to put the hanger on, put the bolt in, and then make sure everything's square. This thing needs to go back 1.5 inches. I need to grab a pry bar too. All right, I'll be right back. We got about 1/2 inch to go back. It's a pry bar. If you do it right, you can jack the jack, and there's enough pressure that it'll hold the hanger in spot, or at least close. There we go. It looks pretty straight. Hit it in a little bit. Looks level, looks straight. I'll verify measurements. Come on, stay there. That. We can grab the inside. 29 3/8. Outside, inside. 29 3/8. Perfect, let's weld this hanger on. All right, this trailer side's done. It is breaking on the other side, so I'm gonna re-weld it before it fails. So I'm gonna go over there, weld that out, but this is done. I'm gonna tighten everything up. 13/16 on the outside. And I put a new nut and bolt, so it's gonna be a 7/8 on the inside. Go till it's tight and back off. Let's get the tire on this. Oh, I need to clean the inside to those. Clean off the insides of the lug nuts. Lug nuts are clean. Clean up the lug studs. Good, lug stud clean. This tire and wheel on. And all the lug nuts on. 7/8 going on. Oh, gotta take my jack stand out. Now I drop it down. Load everything up into my purse. Let's go. This side's starting to break right here, and on the inside, so I'm gonna take this tire off, clean up the paint off, and re-weld it. All right, I got this back hanger welded out. I welded the inside, it was broken. So I welded the inside, I sanded it down, welded it, welded the other corners, and I welded over the top of that weld. It was cracking right here, so I gouged it and welded it as well. This trailer's done. I'm putting the tire and wheel on. I don't think there's anything else. Nothing else jumped out at me. So tire and wheel's going on. I'm cleaning up and going home. These lug nuts were brand new, so I don't have to clean them. Everything goes on nice and smooth. Come on, crackers. Tight, tight, and tight. Pull my jacks, drop my trailer. Okay, there we go. I'm not left-hand dominant apparently. And don't forget to torque lug nuts. Driver's side first. Driver's side torqued. Passenger side torqued. This trailer's done. New hanger on driver's side or on passenger side rear. Plated the frame so it doesn't break. And I re-welded the driver's side rear because it was breaking. Good to go. I'm on to the next.